Let's dive into how we can use Video to Wisdom Chrome extension to make video notes-taking process convenient and efficient. The Chrome extension allows you to interact with YouTube videos directly on the platform without switching tabs. Let's get started. Step 1. Installing the Video to Wisdom Chrome extension. Open your favorite browser and search for Video to Wisdom. Click on the Chrome Web Store button. After you are redirected to the Chrome Web Store, click the Add to Chrome button. Confirm the installation when prompted. Once installed, pin the extension to your browser toolbar by clicking the puzzle icon, Extensions menu, and selecting the pin option next to Video to Wisdom. Step 2. Starting a chat with a YouTube video. Now that the extension is installed, let's see how easy it is to use. Switch over to a YouTube video you'd like to analyze or ask questions about. Look for the chat button located right next to the like button below the video player. Click the chat button and the Video to Wisdom extension will open on the right side of your screen. To begin analyzing the video, click the red play button inside the extension. You're now ready to chat with Video to Wisdom about the video. Ask any question you want by typing it into the chat box and pressing Enter or clicking the chat button. Step 3. Saving your chat. Just like on the website, you can save your chats for future reference. Locate the small white Save button in the middle of the extension interface. Click the Save button, then select an existing collection or create a new one to organize your saved chats. Confirm by clicking Save Again. Your chat is now securely stored and can be revisited anytime, just like the chats you saved on the website. Step 4. Accessing built-in prompts. To enhance your experience, Video to Wisdom offers a variety of built-in prompts. Look for the small white button located at the bottom left corner of the extension interface. Click the button to open the list of built-in prompts. Browse through the available prompts and select one that aligns with your needs, e.g., summaries, key takeaways, or specific insights. Once selected, the prompt will automatically generate relevant responses based on the video content. If you've already created custom prompts on the Video to Wisdom website, don't worry, they'll also appear here in the extension. You can seamlessly switch between your custom prompts and the built-in ones. Ready to transform content into wisdom?